All right, Tyler, you need no introduction tonight. Why don't you just tell us about that cold?
I was going to say, I don't want to, steal the thunder from Mother Nature here. I feel like it's the main topic of discussion of the next day or so, not just here in Maine, but really across the entire Northeast. And certainly if you're going out to snap those nature pictures, just put the thick gloves on because you're going to need them, not just tonight, but really through the day tomorrow as well. Looking back on the day today real quick here, we'll jump to the maps. These were your high temperatures for your Monday. If you're looking at this and saying that makes no sense at all, it did not feel like it was close to 40 degrees for the start of the week, that's because we reached these high temperatures right around midnight last night, just after that. So we're talking a real decline throughout the entire day today. Those temps just started falling through the overnight into the day and really have not stopped since then. And they won't stop really until tomorrow morning either. Right now in Portland, we are at 14 degrees, a mix of clouds and clear sky out there. Wind out of the north at 6 miles an hour. It doesn't take a lot of wind for it to feel pretty chilly with temperatures like this. We'll get into those wind chill factors here in just a moment. Current temperatures across the rest of the region, across southern sections, we're really on either side of 10 degrees at this point. Single digits as you head into the interior, a little bit further north and east. We're looking at temperatures really on either side of zero, negative digits as you head up toward northern sections, closer to 10 degrees, some teens still popping up along the coast there. But no matter how you slice it, you can look at those numbers all you want. It is just bone-chilling cold, and it's going to get colder. The good news, satellite radar is pretty quiet. We have a generally pretty calm and quiet air mass in place for the next couple of days here. High pressure going to be overhead, just some clouds streaming through the overnight into tomorrow. Now tonight's forecast, those temperatures, again, they're going to keep on falling. Winds out of the north at 5 to 15 miles an hour. Your normal low here in Portland, 16, will be close to zero along the coast, below zero, single digits below zero as you head to interior sections. I think double digits below zero as you head up into the foothills and mountains there. Those spots just really going to bottom out there on the thermometer. As we head into your Tuesday, you'll notice there not a lot of change on that map. The color's not really changing much, and those temperature values not really changing very much either. We're looking at single digits along the coast. I think much of the same as you head back to places like Lewiston, Auburn, and Augusta. Mountain sections will struggle to make it to zero. I think your high temperature here in Portland right around 8-9 degrees or so. We will really struggle to get to that 10-degree mark across the state of Maine for the day tomorrow. And really when we're talking about this, it's not just uncomfortable cold, it is a dangerous cold when we are factoring in the wind out there, really any wind at this point in time. With that in mind, there is a wind chill warning, that gray shading across northern sections, that's in place until midday tomorrow. The lighter blue shading just below that, that is a wind chill advisory. Again, prolonged periods outside, not recommended, especially if you're not bundling up there. And as I think Sean was mentioning earlier in the show, all those precautions that you want to be taking, especially when it comes to elderly neighbors, pets, things like that. Let's go hour by hour here, talk about the wind chills. Look at this. Tomorrow, 5 o'clock in the morning, 20 to 30 degrees below zero for what it feels like across northern sections. Even along the coast, we're talking teens for wind chill, teens below zero for wind chill values. Not a lot of movement through the mid-morning hours. Even with that sun coming up, it's just not going to have an impact through the day tomorrow. Pretty meaningless sunshine there, and we'll continue to see those bitter cold wind chills right through the afternoon into the overnight, and much of the same as you get up on Wednesday morning. Now your hour-by-hour forecast as we go through Wednesday, again, pretty quiet conditions. The chance for some snow showers across northern areas, perhaps even trickling down to the coastline as we go through Wednesday. Thursday looks pretty quiet at this point as well. I think our next potential, or at least what we need to keep our eyes on right now, is a system on Friday that will track right now, it looks like, out to sea, but certainly a little bit too close for comfort in terms of just needing to monitor that. Going to want to stay tuned for the next couple of days. But again, right now trending offshore and not really a big impact to us for the day on Friday. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Again, bitterly cold for the day tomorrow. Inland sections starting out below zero. They will get into the single digits, just above zero in a lot of spots. And then really it turns quite balmy. You'll see their shorts weather for Thursday, maybe a bit overdone, but nonetheless we'll be back into the 30s, much more average for this time of year. That storm close by for the day on Friday. And then as we head into the weekend, it's back to freezer-like conditions for Saturday. We're talking single digits once again, and temperatures below zero at night. And then our next real potential system, I think, looks like it's early next week as we head toward Monday. That, of course, quite a ways out. In the meantime, Zach, we have plenty to get to between now and then in terms of that winter feel. Certainly going to want to bundle up as you step out the door tomorrow. I've been telling everybody that it's those that don't like the August heat and humidity. I guess the forecast for the next 24 hours, this one is for all of you.
It sure is, but definitely want to keep it safe out there. Thanks, Tyler.